This video, I will be telling you how to delete conversations on Snapchat in 2025. For that, the process is very simple and easy. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So let's dive right into the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So simply go ahead and click on the Play Store, and once you're up in the Play Store, go ahead and click on Snapchat and make sure that it's up to date. Once you know that it's up to date, just simply go ahead and click on open button and open up your Snapchat. And once you're in the Snapchat, go to the messages, and in the messages, select the message that you want to delete. For example, select the conversation you want to delete, hover over it, and once you hover it, there will be chat and notification option. Simply go ahead and click on that, and once you're in it, simply go ahead and click on delete chats. So just change the option to after viewing. This will delete the chat immediately after viewing it. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this pretty helpful.